Here's how you can make a birthday wish video for a friend on the Android. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually more ways. It depends on how you would like to do it. Because if you have, for example, a couple of videos which you want to put it together, like let's say a bunch of people just recorded their birthday wishes, you can put it all together through a video editor like CapCut, where you just import the clips to the timeline and you export it as one video which you can share with that person. That would work, but that's a bit of a manual approach because there are literally services designed for that particular problem. For example, there's a website which is called happybdayfriend.com, and you can see that the whole point is that you surprise one person with a bunch of videos recorded by a lot of people. So you kind of set up a birthday profile or whatever, and you can see that a bunch of people can contribute, and it kind of puts it all in one place. So I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but that is just kind of how it works. So I would really appreciate your feedback. If you manage to find what you needed, let me know in the comments below which kind of video you are looking for, because of course, as I said at the beginning, you can create one manually through a video editor like this one, and you can as well just add some effect, or I don't know, some confetti or whatever. So the options are there, so that would be the option for me. I would personally go with the manual approach, but some people prefer the automatic websites like the one I've shown you before. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tutorials and tips like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.